Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm here at Inglewood in New Jersey and I've come here for some work, but as always I say let's make a video for my subscribers. So welcome to the channel. Please like, share and subscribe before you forget. I just realized the top of the Mercedes makes a great tripod. I hope it's not too high for you guys. But I made this video just to talk about one of the videos which got me a good amount of payment from YouTube. Let me tell you how that happened and how the demographics and the geographies and the locations matter when it comes to YouTube payouts. So, as you know, I do my vlogs in English, and by doing vlogs in English and talking about general topics like Tesla, BMW, Mercedes, these are all global topics, as well as vlogs of my family, which everybody would like to see. So the channel has seen some growth globally, and I'm very happy about that. While I love the comments I receive from my Indian friends and brothers and sisters, and a lot of views come from India, the only point there is India has not much revenue when you convert it into dollars. Now I know all of you are watching a lot of big YouTubers in India. They're doing extremely well, but they need millions of views to sustain a YouTube career because the ad rates or AdSense from India are not much. You're changing the color. So I left the car for 2 minutes and Ivanka's already busy changing the color. So yeah, guys, I don't make much money on YouTube, but for example, the recent video I made on the BMW R18. Now that video was in English and it was launched in my location, which is America. So I got a lot of views from US, Canada, London, UK rather. I got a lot of views from Australia and India as well. I got views from all over because the topic was very general, BMW bike. But what did that mean to me in a revenue standpoint? All these countries have different ads playing in the videos. So if someone watches my video from, there's a plane passing, I need to stop. The volume is getting screwed totally. Typical vlogging issues. If someone watches my video from the US, they watch US advertisements, and those ads obviously bring a lot more revenue to Google rather than maybe India or Sri Lanka or other countries. So countries where people earn in dollars and pounds and higher currencies, the AdSense will be much more for the YouTuber. It goes without saying. How does it feel to be 10?
It feels nice.
Okay. What did you get for your 10th birthday?
A MacBook.
MacBook. How's school going?
Stressful but good
Stressful? Why stressful?
because there's a lot of homework.
Lot of homework. I know the homework these kids get is a lot. Like she does at least 1.5 hour of homework in the US. Otherwise, how's things? What do you want to see as a wish for your birthday?
I want coronavirus to go.
Good one. Ivanka wants to see the coronavirus going as her birthday wish. Yeah, so you know, a YouTuber in America or Europe or Canada makes at least 7 to 10 times more money in AdSense, in revenue, than let's say a YouTuber in India. And it is not dependent on where you are located. You may be located in the US, but if all your audience is in India or Sri Lanka or Bangladesh, you will get the revenue basis Indian rupees, which obviously compared to the dollars is much less. So I'm not making this video to try and talk about how much I make, because I'm just new in YouTube. I don't have that many subscribers. I only have 7,000 subscribers. So for me, it is pocket change. I pay my gas bill with the YouTube money. Let's put it that way. Whatever I pay for my bike fuel or car fuel or maybe couple of dinners, that's what I pay from with my YouTube money. So this video is not about me trying to brag how much I made in a video. But yes, when I look at the revenue for the amount of subscribers I have, for the amount of views I have, I was very happy and surprised to see the amount I got paid. So I know a lot of subscribers say vlog in Hindi. I firstly don't speak Hindi very well. So me vlogging in Hindi is just a joke. But I always was true to my core need of vlogging in English. And when you vlog in English, the whole world is your platform. You can have subscribers and views on any topic, any part of the world. I made over 150 videos. That takes a lot of work, a lot of equipment, a lot of time. Whenever you do that, you need to see some level of output and for your input, right? So if you're working hard, you want to see the return on investment. That's why I'm happy when I see that, okay, and at the end of every month, whatever videos I make, I get some dollar payment, which is much, much better than I expected. That's all I had to say. It is so green and beautiful behind me. I love the weather in fall time because the leaves are turning yellow. And of course, the end of fall, all the leaves will start falling. That's why it's called fall, right? So the leaves will go from green to yellow to brown and then will start falling. And that's when it gets a little depressing because you know winter's coming in. So guys, you know, this video is not about talking money, and I usually don't make videos talking about money. But so many people were appreciative when I put my Instagram post, and my Instagram is Ryan Woodman 75, so please follow me there. I had put a Instagram post about how much I made on one particular video, and it was, I think now it's like above $50 I've earned from that one video with maybe 20,000 views. So for 20,000 views, I got $50 payment so far. That's the kind of revenue I'm talking. So I was so happy. People kept inboxing me, sir, share a video about it, share a video about it. You're open, you're transparent. Now I don't want to be too open and transparent because probably that's not good, sharing details which are confidential. But I can share that for one video I made $50, and for some videos I make $30. And like I said, it's my first 6-7 months in YouTube, so I'm positive about it. I know a lot of YouTubers who pay all their bills with YouTube money. They are not very happy, but I'm pretty happy about it. So being very open and honest with you on the money part, if I look at July, August, I think May or June I may have made $150. And then July, August was $200-300. I don't remember. But on some months it's 200, some months it's 400. That's about it. Okay guys, hope that was not too much of gyan. But a lot of people are curious about these payouts and how we make money on YouTube. And I hope this video gave you some clarity. And yes, that's it for now. Have a lovely weekend. The weekend is coming up. Have a lovely weekend. Take care. Bye. And please subscribe.